What are you really chasing? What's your real purpose, my guy? Because you're chasing this world and what it's doing to you. You're blinded by it. And also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, yeah, do not be like those that forgot Allah, meaning forgot me, because for indeed He will make you forget yourself. Some brothers will say, how do I forget myself, bro? You forget yourself because you put anyone and everything before yourself, bro. Everyone and everybody's happiness before yourself. Let's be real. You can never be happy in this world. You can only be content. It's all a fake, it's a facade. But in reality, happiness lies with when you stand in front of Allah and you have been entered into Jannah through His mercy. And this is something that people, like the companions, asked the Prophet, yeah, because he said none of us will enter Jannah, meaning heaven, through our actions and our good deeds. We will only enter Jannah through Allah's mercy. So the companions asked the Prophet, that even you are a prophet and you're a prophet. He said, even myself,